So if you maka Ikenga, yeah, okogwa bụ Ikenga, ife ọbụla na-eme bụ understanding na enwe higher powers. So ki align on to alụsị da Ikenga. Onya bụ ife a na-ekwu to align to alụsị of da Ikenga. Na onya bụ the highest form of consciousness, being conscious say now you be this spirit, but say they connect to other alụsị where they back you up. Onya bụ onwe this chart where they show often this themes of consciousness chart. You go see say the highest forms 5D consciousness now trusting in higher powers. You know what I'm saying? So say each goba Ikenga gi ogwa bu Ikenga bu amu, the trust organ, the organ of trust, THRUST, penetration, right? Pushing forward, not just impregnating and entering inside, like to push through something, to go war win. Onya bu Ikenga. So na ife bozi na Ikenga abulo just amu, ife bozi more see bunya abu alusi Ikenga. So na if you focus on when you think about amakoi what you were of, if you focus on the alusi, the more way they behind your Ikenga, the spirits, the legion way they behind you, where they support you. So one last thing, remember that I offer consultation calls. So if you feel there is something that could be gained from anyone one-on-one, having a session together, speaking one-on-one, hit me up, book a session with me, and let's set the time and talk and hash out, maybe help you through the start of your journey or through a bump in it or something. Yeah. So let's get on the call and work something out.